let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, pressure cook your pork along with garlic, onion, pepper, salt, and bay leaves. Leave for 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. It should look like this once done. Set it aside and generously season your pork. Once you're done, heat up some oil for frying. Once hot, add in your pork. Fry until crispy. This is best served with soy sauce, vinegar and onion. And that is how you make our delicious crispy pata.
Yum! So delicious! Thanks for watching.